Build a concrete barbecue pit. It is great to have a barbecue party in your backyard and add spice to gatherings of family or friends. Barbecue can be done once in a while, but having a concrete barbecue pit in your backyard will let you enjoy good old succulent barbecue whenever you feel like it. A concrete barbecue pit will let you enjoy home-cooked barbecue in an easy and mortar-less method of cooking, one of the most favorite foodstuffs in America and the world over. Below are tips and instructions to help you build a concrete barbecue pit. Check the laws and rules of your local fire department beforehand. There might be permits that you need to accomplish before you can set up your barbecue pit. Also, ask the authorities on permitted locations where you can dig your barbecue pit. Dig out a trench that is 8-inch deep. The length of the trench depends on your taste, but it is best to make the trench much longer than the measurement of the concrete blocks. Your barbecue pit's outline depends on the trench. Lay the primary row of the blocks within the trench. Ensure that the blocks are flushed on the ground's surface. Use a level to straighten the blocks. Add sand if the blocks are way deep. If the blocks aren't deep enough, you just need to dig out more dirt. Enclose the base of your barbecue pit. Arrange another row of blocks over the base of your barbecue pit and around the foundation area. Don't forget to include the front area. The foundation area that you will use for burning must be enclosed. You must stack the blocks properly so you won't need to cement them for stability. Do not forget to ensure that there's enough room in the pit's front part to give you comfort in cooking the barbecue. Create the floor of your barbecue pit. Lay the fire bricks within the primary row of blocks. Cover the bricks with sand, and ensure to fill up the cracks with sand for steadiness. Create the walls of your barbecue pit. Heap the concrete blocks by 40 inches high, and don't forget to leave the front part open. The concrete blocks must be accurately in place because you won't use a mortar. Don't worry, you just need to focus on the block's placement so you will be ensured that the wall's surface will be smooth. Set up the grates in your concrete barbecue pit. Heap concrete blocks on each side of your barbecue pit. The concrete blocks must be 3 foot high, and ensure that they will reach the back part of the pit. The blocks will be the grate's stand. You can place the grate atop the stacked blocks. Don't build your barbecue pit near any houses because it can create a major fire problem. Now, create your list of menu, and don't forget to try creating a new menu every time you cook barbecue to add fun and spice for your barbecue party.